Think you know Lindsey Graham's Senate career? Prove it. Which state did he represent? Who did he succeed in Senate? What year did his Senate term begin? Which powerful committee did he chair? Which prominent senator was his close friend? Which 2013 immigration group did he join? Who was his 2020 Democratic Senate challenger? Which Obama SCOTUS nominee did he confirm? Who did he fiercely defend in 2018? Which foreign policy stance describes him best? Which 2017 healthcare bill did he co-sponsor? Which president's impeachment did he vote against? What 2022 nationwide ban did he propose? Which committee was he a member of? Which Middle Eastern nation did he champion? Which foreign leader did he suggest assassinating? Which Obama treaty did he strongly oppose? What year did he run for president? Which branch's reserve did he serve in? Which country's troop withdrawal angered him most? Democratic senator did he partner with? Which international court did he threaten financially? Which country's NATO membership did he back? Which controversial 2010 treaty did he oppose? Which conservative group heavily funded his campaigns? Which Republican did he call a xenophobe? Who did he vote against for SCOTUS? Which military rank did he retire as? Which war did he consistently help fund? Which 2002 resolution did he vote for? Which state's electoral votes did he question? Which president's judicial nominees did he block? Which 2024 presidential candidate did he endorse? Which global agreement did he celebrate exiting? Which senator was his frequent travel partner? Which judicial philosophy did he typically support? Which key ally did he visit frequently? Which party did he consistently vote with?